Hi, I am Gillian, a digital design graduate from HOWEST. I create websites mainly using GraphCMS, Twig, SCSS, PHP and JavaScript. During my internship, I worked on a large proof-of-concept website where users can book team building activities and venues. Although the project is not yet complete, I successfully developed many of its core features. The website includes a welcoming homepage with flexible content structures that can be adjusted for commercial purposes. The team building overview loads quickly thanks to Graph plugins and technologies such as Datastar. User experience is very important to me. For example, I use skeleton loading states after interactions while new content is being loaded. This creates a fast and responsive experience for the user. Alongside my front-end work, I use several Graph plugins to develop features such as wishlists. I also created a B2B platform for corporate clients. Within this portal, companies can manage their quotations, planned activities, branding settings such as colors, user access, permissions. The platform contains many complex features, but GraphCMS makes them easier to manage and allows me to build in a scalable way. It is also easy to add multiple languages, manage translated content, and create translation files without requiring extensive additional configurations. This is very useful for interface elements such as my sort by dropdown. GraphCMS is built with an innovative and developer-friendly approach, which makes it a pleasure to work with. At the same time, the client receives a user-friendly, flexible and scalable content managing dashboard. However, this video is not only about GraphCMS. It is also about my broader skills as a digital designer and developer. I can quickly design and prototype very complex user flows in Figma while maintaining the project very slim. I also use After Effects and Drive to create engaging and immersive animations for my projects. Another area I'm developing is my commercial and marketing mindset. For example, I created the website for an indie game called Drone Tanks. The website includes an interactive feature that allows visitors to collect all the gemlings they will need to save in the actual game. After collecting them all on the website, the user receives a special role in the game's Discord community. I also completed a photography assignment for a web agency where I had to create images of an aesthetic surgeon. I took a very dominant approach to the agency hero design. Before creating the concept, I thought carefully about who the average client would be and asked myself the critical question: what would attract this target audience? In this case, the average client is either a young person or someone who wants to look and feel younger. By presenting the surgeon more like a singer or artist, the images become more visually attractive and memorable to that audience. This approach helps to create a stronger sense of trust and understanding. I believe that having a strong commercial vision is an important skill to work in the digital industry. I'm highly motivated, eager to keep learning, and passionate about creating digital experiences that combine strong design, technology, and commercial thinking. I also strongly recommend reading my reference letter from my internship for more information about my skills and contribution to the team.